Welcome to our channel, where we help you harness the power of the universe to manifest the life you want. In this video, we will talk about the best crystal for boosting manifestation and wealth. The crystal we're talking about is citrine, a powerful crystal known for its manifestation properties. Citrine is often referred to as the merchant stone, the money stone, or the success stone because of its ability to attract abundance and prosperity. Citrine is a yellow to a golden brown colored crystal that is commonly used to boost creativity, imagination, and personal power. It is also believed to enhance mental clarity and confidence, making it easier to make decisions and take action toward achieving your goals. One of the best ways to use citrine is to place it on your desk or workspace to attract success and abundance in your career or business. Citrine is also an excellent crystal for those who want to attract wealth and financial abundance into their lives. Another way to use citrine is to create a crystal grid with other manifestation crystals such as clear quartz, pyrite, and green aventurine. This powerful combination can help amplify your intentions and desires, making it easier to manifest your goals and dreams. Citrine is also an excellent crystal to use during meditation. Hold the crystal in your hand or place it on your body during meditation to enhance your focus and clarity. This can help you connect with your inner self and manifest your desires with greater ease. So there you have it, the best crystal for boosting manifestation and wealth: citrine. Whether you want to attract abundance and prosperity in your career, business, or personal life, citrine can help you manifest your goals and dreams. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on manifestation. To learn more on how to manifest using citrine, click the link in the description or in the comments below.